Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I read price action, or let's say step by step how I do my top-down analysis. All right, as a price action trader, you should know how you do your top-down analysis. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my top-down analysis step by step. Guys, this is the step-by-step process, and I'm going to be taking you guys bit by bit, and you guys don't want to miss any part of this video because this is the approach I use every day I come to the market, and I've seen massive results. All right, so this kind of video you don't want to miss, so watch to the end of the video and learn something new. What's good, guys? I'm Cocos FX, and in this my YouTube channel I document my journey as a developing forex trader until I become that dream forex trader that I always dream of. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my top-down analysis. I know that top-down analysis is the most fundamental part of trading that you should know, and without the knowledge of top-down analysis, you are lagging. You probably be lagging behind. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own top-down analysis, so you guys will learn also from me. Let's head over to Tradingview so I can show you guys how I do my top-down analysis. So what's good, guys? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do my top-down analysis. All right. So guys, this is GBP USD, and I'm on the monthly time frame. I'm gonna be taking this step by step. All right. So on monthly time frame, no need to map out anything, but we can see that price is reacting from this imbalance here. All right, reacting from this imbalance here, but we are not considering this, considering this monthly time frame because we are not position traders. So we're just day traders, and we need quick money as fast as possible. So what I'm going to do is that, as you can see from the monthly time frame, the order flow is bullish. All right. So I'm going to go straight to the weekly time frame. So I'm going to go to the weekly time frame. So come on, network. So guys, on the weekly time frame, what can you see here? What can you see on the weekly time frame? See the area I mapped out. This area I mapped it out on the monthly time frame, and as you can see on the weekly time frame, price reacted off it and then started pushing up. So but if you look at what price, you actually see that we are in a bullish trend. But if you can see how this candle closed here, you see that this is an inverted pin bar. It's a rejection candle here. So we're going to be going to the lower time frame, lower than weekly time frame, to see what price are for us here. So that, this is how I do my top-down analysis step by step. I'm always very careful. All right. But I'm actually expecting bullishness on GBP USD, because as you can see this big candle here, that pushed up on this weekly time frame, and plus this rejection candle, then this black candle rebalance the imbalance. This is called immediate rebalancing. So price rebalance this imbalance, and then this weak candle is showing a sign of pushing to the outside. But let's see what it got for us. So guys, on the weekly time frame, as you can see that the price is actually bullish. So it's in line with the monthly time frame. So I'm going to be, the most important time frame that I use is the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is where the whole work is done. All right. So let's wait for this to quickly load up. Network issues. So what can you see? This was the area we mapped out on the monthly time frame. So if it was for position traders, immediately look at what price did. Immediately price changed character here to bullish. They're going to enter the position here, and throughout that time they have been on profit. So that's for position traders. So on those daily time frame, this is where my concern is going to be, the recent range, which is where, like, if you look at this price leg here, you see that this is actually the place that the price started rallying to the upside. Let me change this to black. Let me make it bigger. So this was where price started moving to the upside, this place to the upside. So, and as you can see what's happening here. Price pushed up here, and then, because if you measure with your Fibonacci retracement, let me get my Fibonacci. If you measure with Fibonacci from this high, to this low, you see that price is already on a discount price. So it's a very nice area to buy from. But we don't just buy from here. We have to go to the lower time frame to see what the lower time frame price action have for us, like the 4 hour, 1 hour, and etc. So from here now, you see that price came down, rebalance this imbalance. That's this rebalance the imbalance, this imbalance here. So price came down, rebalanced it, and now we have to go, because if you see the price action here on those on this range, you see that we're actually bullish, because if you look at this bullish candle, you see that all this consolidation that's going on here is happening inside this bullish candle. So we are still bullish, but we're not just buying, because even though price is doing this stuff inside this bullish candle, there are still some selling opportunity inside here. Okay, so we have to go now to the 4 hour time frame. Guys, this is how I do my top down analysis, and if you follow this video step by step, we are going to get the context. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, let it load up. So on this 4 hour time frame, this is where we're going to determine price is going to tell us more what it got for us. All right, so take a look at what happened here. So this was that push up, and this was the reversal, then it came down, then it started pushing up. But now look at this, is our concern here on this 4 hour time frame. I'm going to place my vertical line, because this is the most important part of it. This place that the reversal took place, this place. So anything that will make price go below this area, anything that will make price go below this area, below this place, then you know that we are bearish. Now we are bearish, but I don't see that happening, because the institutional order flow for JBP is bullish. So let's break down this price structure and see what happened. But take a look at, like, from this place now, from this left hand side go down. I don't have any business to do with that place, but I still have a business though, because take a look at this. Take a look at this kind of resistance area, this place. So this is actually a tiny order block. But one stuff about order block is that no matter how tiny it is, it's usually played through. So look at what price is in. So whenever price get to the order block here, they reject and start pushing. Whenever they get, they reject. So it's a powerful order block, because it's also, you guys know the quality of a powerful order block. Another block with a fair valued gap, because as you can see, this is a fair valued gap here. So that makes it a high probability order block. And as you can see, price went up, tapped on it, and then rejected, went up again, tapped on it and rejected. But we're having an order block here too. We're having a bullish order block, because this is actually a bearish order block here. So we're having a bullish order block acting as a support, because as you can see from here, let me take this down. As you can see from here, this place right now, you will see that price is rejecting whenever it gets to this place. So we're not even anywhere near this. If we are not even seeing this bearishness coming to pass, because the institutional order flow is bullish. So from here, without wasting much of your time, sorry for wasting your time, we're going to quickly go to the 1 hour time frame. So from this 1 hour time frame now, we're going to get things clearer. Yeah, we're going to get the content clearer. So take a look what happened there. You see, so price have been pushing up, went to the 4 hour order block, they rejected, went up again and rejected. So this is what we're having currently. So as you can see, look, this was the order block I mapped out on 4 hour. As you can see, price got here, rejected, price got here, rejected, price got here, and then rejected again. So this area is showing some solid support, price to push up. Well, for we to confirm this bullishness again, price have to push up and close above this 4 hour order block. Then we know that our bullishness have been confirmed, and every day we're going to be looking for bullish opportunities. If you take a look at this day, this rejection here, I took this trade, like this trade you're seeing here, this place I took this trade. I'm going to show you guys the reason why I took this trade here. Let me put my circle there, so it will make more sense. Okay, let me put this triangle. So I took this trade here, and let me make the color red so that it will be more easy for us to indicate when we get there. Let me make it bigger. Okay, so let me go down to the, because my entry time frame is the 5 minutes. Let me go down to the 5 minutes so we can see why I took the trade. The network is okay. So guys, as you can see on the 5 minute, look at what happened there. But actually this trade hit my stop loss because I was aiming up for higher price. And see what New York session did. New York session traded below, the balance is imbalance, and then pushed up. By this time I was stopped out, but that doesn't, stopping out, me being stopped out is not a problem because I know that what I did was actually right, and price letter obeyed my analysis. So look at the place I'm after from the 1 hour, and I'm going to be showing you guys the reason why I took this trade here. This is quite secret, but that's what makes us millionaires, because we share ideas. Alright, so from here now I'm gonna delete it and then break down the price action here. As you can see from this place, guys, you see that price have been coming down. Immediately it tapped into the 4-hour order block. Look at what it did. Look at what it did. It rejected, leaving this order block, this bearish order block here. So price rejected. So look at what I did. Immediately price rejected from here, I mapped out this order block, this bearish order block here. I mapped it out. So I was waiting. Look at what price was doing there, consolidating, chopping around. So immediately this bullish candle break above this bearish candle, this bearish order block. I know that, yeah, the bullishness have been confirmed. So when price broke it and I was trading up, what makes you a professional trader is that you wait for price to come to where you mapped out. Like you wait, you don't chase price. So I waited, and then price came here. I was actually waiting for London to open, because if I open my indicator here, this indicator shows me my London and my New York sessions. So if you're interested in knowing this indicator that is going to pop up here at any time now, you know that network, the indicator is loading. There's no network here. So price went up, came down, rebalanced this imbalance, but it wasn't okay. Look at this is my indicator here. So it wasn't time for it. The New York wasn't opened yet. Look at it. Look at this candle. So it was 5 minutes later then London opened, traded up. So when the market was there, I bought, and that was a mistake that I did. I bought. So price traded up and then rejected, came down, retapped the imbalance again, and then pushed up. But I was stopped out because my stop loss was below here. So price traded up, consolidated during the London break, and then New York came back to the range, took me out, and then pushed for the rest of the day. I was actually expecting price to break above this high so that we know that we are bullish, but that didn't happen. So I'm still waiting. As you can see, price is back to the 4-hour order block, as you can see here. So tomorrow I'm gonna be trading on Friday. That's tomorrow. What's today's date? Today's date is February 12th. So on February 13, I'm gonna be trading. So I'm gonna be watching this level. So that's it. And that's it. That's it for GBP/USD. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. So thank you all for watching this video. I guess it was insightful. So guys, this is how I do my top-down analysis, and I guess you found this video. If you don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friends who might also need to watch this video. And that being said, see you guys in the next upload by millionaires.